Hello friends, in our previous videos we learned to find out the square root of bigger numbers by using prime factorization method. In today's video we are going to learn the division method for finding the square root of bigger numbers. Okay, now what do you mean by division method and how it is used for finding the square root? Division method is the method in which we divide the number step by step to get the square root of that number. Okay, and why it is used? Because for some numbers there is a limitation to prime factorization method, but in case of division method we can apply this method to any kind of rational number. Okay, so now let's learn this method step by step. Consider the example, find out the square root of 4489. Now, according to the procedure of this method, write down, make two columns, okay, then write down that number, or we can say the dividend, in the second column in this way. Okay, now form the group of two digits from right side of the number. So, if we are going to make the groups of two digits, okay, from the right side, then it will be like this. So there will be one group of 89 and second group of 44. Okay, now consider the first group first, 44. Now we are going to divide 44 first. Okay, now what is the square number which can be subtracted from 44 easily? Square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36 and square of 7 is 49. Okay, if you observe the square of 7, that is 49, but 49 is the greater number than 44. So we cannot subtract 49 from 44, but we can subtract 36 from 44. So we will consider the square of 6. Okay, so that is we are going to subtract 36 from 44. So I am writing 36 here. Now what are we going to write here? Okay, now as 36 is the square of 6, we will write 6 here at divisor's place, then at quotient's place, and one more time below this 6. So we are going to write 6 3 times here, at second place here, and this is the third place. Okay, then we are going to subtract 36 from 44. We will get 8 as the answer, and here we are going to add these two 6, so that becomes 12. Okay, now bring down this second group below here, so it will be 89. So now our new number is 889. Okay, and on left hand side there is 12. Now we are going to divide this number by 12, but before dividing this number by 12 we are going to hide one digit at the rightmost place. Okay, so we are going to hide 9 here, and we are going to consider only 88 for division. Now divide 88 by 12. You know the table of 12, so it becomes 12 sevens are 84. Okay, so our new quotient will be 7. Okay, so we are going to write down 7 here at quotient's place, then here at divisor's place, and one more time below this 7. Okay, so in this way we are going to write 7 3 times. Okay, now what are we going to do next? We are going to multiply 127 by 7 and going to write it here. Okay, so after multiplying 127 by 7 we get 889. So we will write 889 here and we will subtract this 889 from this 889. Okay, so we will get 0 0 0. Okay, and on left hand side we are going to add 7 to 127. Okay, so 7 7 14, carry over 1 134. So on left hand side we got 134, leave it as it is, and on the right hand side after subtraction we got 0 as the remainder. This is your remainder. When the remainder is 0, the process is completed. Okay, and your answer is 67. So 67 is the square root of 4489. This is how we have to follow this method. Okay, in our next video also we will be solving some more examples of division method. Till then, goodbye.